Just demonstrate to you how these super cell pouring paints, how quick and easy they are. They've got everything is already pre-made in the bottle. Now I've been using Mont Marte paints for the whole 7 years that I've been acrylic pouring, and they're always my go-to. I do try other brands, but I always come back to the Mont Marte paints and canvases. How to do a quick and easy flip cup pour. Just squirt them in. How easy is this? The canvas is there. I'm going to do a flip cup pour. So I'm flipping the cup and I let it do it. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, look at that. Supercells, very happy with that. Oh wow, how easy was that? That's the Mont Marte Supercell paint.